Hola everybody, blessed Thursday. As you can see, I'm just in my kitchen preparing for our dinner. Right at the moment, I am cutting some mangoes because we're so happy that it's back in the market. It's one of our favorite fruits, me and Ava. And yeah, because we don't have it here all year round, so we did miss it a lot. Anyway, because the princess is back, I'm going to cook her favorite dish, which is the bistik Tagalog. Actually, in English, it's beef steak. However, for the Western people, beef steak is different for them. So yeah, let's call it bistik Tagalog. I am now to prepare my green salad. Remember to maintain a well-balanced diet because after all, health is wealth. In this video, I am happy to share with you that even though I'm doing all this cooking stuff, I am earning, and I have been doing this for years. Imagine, I am a single full-time mom. It's been hard, it's been difficult, but I'm just so happy that I feel so blessed that more than 4 years ago, I took the leap of faith that, I found a way to make my traditional businesses a digital one, making them all doable from home and online. And it all worked. Yay! Truly, in this world, you'll keep getting the same thing if you keep doing the same thing. So if you want something different, something better, something greater, then you must start doing something new and different. And that's what I did. They told me that it's not possible to do it from home and online. It's going to be difficult because you are a mom, you have a little kid. Well, guess what? I did not listen to them. And now my girl is already 6 years old, and I've been doing this for more than 4 years now. And I'm proud to tell you that all those digits that I thought was impossible are all possible. I have been generating my positive multiple cash flow even though I am working from home, looking after my child full-time, and even when I'm in my pajamas. And the great news for you is I have opened a company that offers an all-in-one business platform that contains all my products and services, step-by-step training, customer support, everything that you need so you can get that perfect jumpstart in this trillion-dollar industry. All you have to do is to check my link on my bio. If you are unhappy and you think that you're getting less than what you deserve right now, it calls for an action. Remember this, it's always impossible until it's done. I was once just like everyone else. I didn't have the right amount of money to start. I didn't have a lot of support when I started. But I believed in myself. Before others could help me, I had to help myself. I had faith and I did the work. So guys, what are you waiting for? Check my link on my bio or message me. God bless, and this is your CEO in Pajama encouraging you to never stop until you get there. Look at that, my little Australiana, nagkakamay, talagang Filipinang Filipina. Ciao now! Bye-bye, Mom.